In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock Zoho Books following our full 2025 guide. Locking transactions in your Zoho Books account is a crucial step in ensuring the integrity and accuracy of your financial records. It prevents any accidental changes to past transactions and secures your data from unauthorized edits. Let's walk through the process together. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Zoho Books dashboard. This will be your main control center where you can view all your financial data at a glance. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Accountant tab in the navigation menu. Clicking on this tab brings you to a set of tools specifically designed for managing your accounting tasks. Next, locate and select Transaction Locking. This feature is key to protecting your financial records by restricting any changes to the transactions that could potentially affect your accounts. When you select this option, a new section will open up where you manage your transaction lock settings. Once you're in the transaction locking section, you'll notice a brief description explaining that this feature prevents you and your users from making any changes to locked transactions. This means that once you lock a transaction, neither you nor anyone else can edit, modify, or delete it. This is an excellent way to safeguard the integrity of your accounts. Now to move forward, click on the lock button. This will trigger a prompt asking for the lock date. Select the appropriate date for which you wish to lock your transactions. It's important to choose this date carefully as any transactions on or before this date will become unchangeable once locked. After you've set the lock date, you'll be asked to provide a reason for locking the transactions. This step is crucial for documentation purposes, allowing you to remember or explain why the locking action was necessary. To proceed, type in a clear and concise reason in the provided space. Finally, you need to confirm the action by clicking the lock button one last time. By doing this, you officially lock the transactions up to the date you've selected, and they become read-only for all users. And there you have it, the walkthrough of how to lock transactions in Zoho Books as part of our full 2025 guide. Remember, locking transactions is an essential step in maintaining the accuracy and security of your financial data. With this tool, you protect your records from accidental or unauthorized changes, providing peace of mind that your financial data remains reliable and precise. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has made the process clear and straightforward. Stay tuned for more useful tips and guides on making the most out of your Zoho Books account.